La 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 la. I'll water the flowers. Oh, a strawberry. I'll make a cute cake out of it. Strawberry is very juicy and fragrant. Cooking it is a pleasure. To begin with, I'll cut it into pieces. And then I will put it into a bowl. Wonderful. Now, I'll sprinkle everything with sugar and mix it. The sugar will melt and you'll get strawberry jam. Then I'll heat it up on the stove. I'll light the fire and put the saucepan on it. I'm going to make jam in it. Hooray! It's boiling. So we can remove the saucepan. Now, I'll break the egg into a bowl and add sugar again. How can we go without it? Mix everything with a spoon until smooth. And time to add some flour. The main thing is not to scatter it, and some vanilla extract. How fragrant it is! It turned out to be a gorgeous dough for a cake. It only remains to add strawberry jam to it. It became so much thicker, which means it's better. Cool. The jam turned the dough red and we can finally move on. I'll take the mold and lubricate the walls with oil so that nothing sticks and does not burn. I turn on the oven in advance so that it has time to warm up. And let's get to work. When strawberry dough turns into a cupcake, it grows right in front of our eyes and becomes twice as big. I want to design my cake as a twig with leaves, on which a strawberry is hanging. I have wonderful green fudge. I'll roll it out like plasticine and cut out leaves from it. Perfect! Taking out the excess. And twig's turn. Oh, it's too big. Moving on. I cut the cupcake into 3 layers. And now I'll smear them with cream. I'll attach the first layer to the plate to secure it. Now the second and the third. Beautiful. It's time to give the cake the shape of a strawberry. To do this, I just cut off all the excess with a knife and trim the sides. Wow! You can paint over the strawberry with cream and smear it with a spatula. Perfect! I wrap the cake with fudge and remove the excess with a pizza knife. I put butter on the fudge so that it glitters like a real strawberry. I insert a twig and put the leaves. Wow, what a beauty! Have you noticed that strawberries have seeds? I'll make them out of this golden sprinkle. Ta-da! Check it out! In my opinion, it turned out awesome. I'm thrilled. Can't wait to try this mini masterpiece. It also smells like a real strawberry. Thank you, friends. It was fun. Join us and cook with me. Like and subscribe to the channel to learn about new cool recipes. Here you'll find a bunch of fantastic treats that are easy to cook at home. See you in the next video. Bye!